Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to mark episodes as unwanted on Crunchyroll. I opened Crunchyroll the other day and noticed a show I had already watched was still sitting in my history, which was messing up with my recommendations a bit. So I logged into my account on the website and went straight to my profile in the top right corner, then opened the history section where all recently watched episodes are stored. And from there, I found a specific show I wanted to reset, and instead of rewatching anything, I simply clicked the same delete or trash icon next to it to remove it from my watch history. And as soon as it was cleared, it was treated like I had never watched it before, which honestly is pretty useful if you want to rewatch something fresh or reset your recommendations without digging through complicated settings or extra menus. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.